Here's our hydraulic fitting. There's Roy, and this is just a sample coil. Those capacitors there are just added capacitance to closer match what we're doing. So here we go. I'm going to press the on button now. There's the power meter. And it'll draw 300 when I put the object in. It goes over 1,000 watts. You can see it there. This one's already been brazed. I'm just going to reflow it for you. This will give you an idea about how fast it works. There we are, about 20 seconds. The advantage of the MatchBox is obvious. It's much faster, and it's got an unlimited duty cycle. So, it's starting to get hot down by my fingers now, so I'm going to end this. But we are perfectly brazed.